Learn English should in Gujarati.
જોઈએ.
And everyday advice. Hello, advice machine. Welcome in. Today you and I are learning how to say should in Gujarati without sounding like a robot that swallowed a grammar book. Actually, a tiny polite robot may appear anyway. Imagine a very serious cat wearing glasses, standing on a chair, and giving life advice to everyone in the room. The cat lifts one paw and announces,
જોઈએ.
That useful little word means should. It is not a harsh order. It is more like kind guidance, a gentle nudge, the linguistic version of someone handing you tea and saying, maybe rest a little. So when you hear,
જોઈએ.
think, advice, recommendation, good sense. For example, you should rest now, becomes,
તમારે હવે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
and we should leave early, becomes,
આપણે વહેલા નીકળવું જોઈએ.
nice. You have entered the kingdom of sensible decisions. The magic family of should. Now let us meet the whole family. They are all related, all helpful, and all a little dramatic. Should is.
જોઈએ.
I should is.
મારે જોઈએ.
You can hear it in a full sentence like,
મારે હવે જવું જોઈએ.
meaning, I should go now. You should is.
તારે જોઈએ.
Example.
તારે આજે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
You should rest today. He should is.
તેને જોઈએ.
Example.
તેને આજે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
She should is.
તેણીએ કરવું જોઈએ.
Example.
તેણીએ હવે જવું જોઈએ.
It should is.
એવું જોઈએ.
Example.
એવું જોઈએ કે હવે તે કામ કરે.
It should work now. We should is.
આપણે જોઈએ.
Example.
આપણે હવે જવું જોઈએ.
You all should is.
તમારે જોઈએ.
Example.
તમારે વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
They should is.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Example.
તેઓએ વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
A suspiciously helpful dialogue. Let us drop these words into a tiny story. Nobody asked the cat for advice, but the cat definitely has advice. You wake up late. Your phone battery is low. Your breakfast is somehow staring at you with judgment. You say,
મારે જોઈએ.
be more organized. In fuller Gujarati style, you might say,
મારે વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
if you mean, I should study more. Then your friend points at your chaotic backpack and says,
તારે સાવચેત રહેવું જોઈએ.
you should be careful. Across the room, another friend whispers about your brother.
તેને વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
He should study more. Then everyone looks at your sister, who is still deciding whether homework is real, and someone says,
તેણીએ વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
Finally the whole group sighs and agrees.
આપણે તેમને મદદ કરવી જોઈએ.
We should help them. Congratulations. Your morning is now grammatically responsible. Mini drill, no panic. I will say the English idea, then the Gujarati. Just listen, repeat, and try not to let the imaginary cat grade you. Should.
જોઈએ.
I should.
મારે જોઈએ.
You should.
તારે જોઈએ.
He should.
તેને જોઈએ.
She should.
તેણીએ કરવું જોઈએ.
It should.
એવું જોઈએ.
We should.
આપણે જોઈએ.
You all should.
તમારે જોઈએ.
They should.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
You should rest now.
તમારે હવે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
We should leave early.
આપણે વહેલા નીકળવું જોઈએ.
They should study more.
તેમણે વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. Good. Now let us make these words sticky in your memory with images your brain will never forgive me for. Picture your front door. On it is a glowing note that says,
જોઈએ.
Every time you leave home, the note asks, what should you do? Next, imagine pointing to yourself and saying,
મારે જોઈએ.
that is your inner responsible voice. It sounds calm, wise, and a little tired. Then point to a friend and say,
તારે જોઈએ.
point to a man and say,
તેને જોઈએ.
point to a woman and say,
તેણીએ કરવું જોઈએ.
point to a strange machine that should finally work and say,
એવું જોઈએ.
now gather a team around you. You all raise your hands like superheroes at a meeting and declare.
આપણે જોઈએ.
Then you turn to the whole class and say.
તમારે જોઈએ.
Then you whisper about another group across the room.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Weird? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. Quick quiz with zero homework, probably. Time for a friendly quiz. Answer in your head, out loud, or to the cat. The cat respects effort. What is the Gujarati word for should?
જોઈએ.
How do you say, I should?
મારે જોઈએ.
How do you say, you should?
તારે જોઈએ.
How do you say, he should?
તેને જોઈએ.
How do you say, she should?
તેણીએ કરવું જોઈએ.
How do you say, it should?
એવું જોઈએ.
How do you say, we should?
આપણે જોઈએ.
How do you say, you all should?
તમારે જોઈએ.
How do you say, they should?
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
One last sensible scene. Before we finish, let us hear everything one more time in a natural flow. This is your final lap, and you are doing great. A teacher walks into class and says,
તમારે જોઈએ.
study more. One student thinks,
મારે જોઈએ.
start today. The teacher points to another student and says,
તારે જોઈએ.
be careful. Then she talks about Ravi.
તેને જોઈએ.
Call his friend. About Mira, she says,
તેણીએ કરવું જોઈએ.
finish her work. She looks at the broken projector and sighs.
એવું જોઈએ.
Work now. Then the whole class agrees.
આપણે જોઈએ.
Help each other. Looking at another team, the teacher adds,
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
arrive early next time. And there it is, one little word family making everybody more responsible than they expected. Thanks and keep going. That was excellent work. You stayed with it, repeated the forms, and survived the advice cat. Today you practiced.
જોઈએ. મારે જોઈએ. તારે જોઈએ. તેને જોઈએ. તેણીએ કરવું જોઈએ. એવું જોઈએ. આપણે જોઈએ. તમારે જોઈએ.
And
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
thank you for listening. Keep practicing a little every day, say the phrases out loud, and use them in your own sentences. You are learning well, and yes, you absolutely should keep going.